Hello viewers, welcome to another SFC tutorial video. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to farm on Bluwhale AI. Bluwhale is an AI-based data-driven protocol that enables users to personalize their Web3 profile, turn your digital footprint into the most valuable assets, and monetize your data. They have also partnered with Memefi, and it promises to be a fantastic ride. So guys, before we get started, if you know you find our video tutorials useful and helpful, do well to support our channel by buying our educational token, the Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain Network. I'll be dropping the contract address in the description below this video. So guys, quickly, let's dive into the video. Now, to get started on Bluee AI, you'll be needing a referral link and a browser. So for me, the get-go is the Mrs. browser. So I'll be clicking the Mrs. browser. You paste the link. Okay, so you will be needing to connect this app to your X account to get started. Okay, so the next thing you to do, you click on get started and it says connect X. You authorize the app. This is the beautiful interface of the Bluwhale app. It's a quest performing platform that allows you to carry out some quests and you'll be rewarded with the Bluwhale drops. Okay, so all we have to do here is perform this task. So let's go with this one. It says like the tweet on X. So you click on like. You allow it to load, or you can go with complete it manually. So I'll quickly go with complete manually. You allow it to load. Okay, here you are. So like I said, the quest says like the post on X. So you scroll down to where the like option is. You click on like. And that is all you have to do here. So you go back. Here you go. The points have been awarded. So you click on sources and it's added to my balance. As you can see, these are different tasks that I've been able to do. So all you'll be needing to do is complete the available tasks and the rewards will be added to your balance. So that is all for the Bluwhale AI app. It's quite easy and straightforward. But if you have any question, do well to drop them right at the comment section and a team member will be providing you with the answers. If you find this video useful, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Do well, turn on your post notification so you get notified each time a new video drops. If you are here to join us, kindly hit the subscribe button, join the growing community. And if you've watched to this point, thank you so much for sticking around. I will be seeing you in our next video.